Hello friends, myself Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is a recursion in Java. First is what is recursion. The recursion is the process in which functions call itself directly or indirectly is called recursion, and the corresponding function is called recursive function. Using a recursive algorithm, its certain problems can be solved quite easily. Example of such problems are towers of Hanoi, in order, reorder, post order, and pre-traverser, DFS, DFS of a graph, etc. A recursive function solves a particular problem by calling a copy of itself and solving smaller subproblems of the original problems. Many more recursive calls can be generated as and when required. It is essential to know that we should provide a certain case in order to terminate this recursion process. So we can say that every time the function calls itself with a simple version of a original problem. Why need of a recursion? Recursion is an amazing technique with the help of which we can reduce the length of our code and make it easier to read and write. It has a certain advantages over the iteration techniques, which will be discussed later. A task that can be defined with a similar subtask, recursion is one of the best solution for it. Example is a factorial of number. And then properties of recursion. First is performing the same operation multiple times with a different input. Second is in every step we try smaller input to make the problem smaller. Third is a base condition is needed to stop the recursion, otherwise infinite loop will be occur. Next is a mathematical interpretation is recursion. Let us consider a problem that has a problem to determine the sum of first n natural numbers, and there are several ways of doing that, but the simplest approach is simply to add the number starting from 1 to n. So the function simply is f of n is equals to 1 plus 2 plus n number of a digit. But another way is approach to recursive adding. Function of n is equals to 1, n equals to 1, and then fn is equals to n plus n minus 1 and n greater than 1. There is a simple difference between approach 1 and approach 2, and that is the approach to the function. F function itself is being called inside the function. So this phenomenon is name of a recursion, and the function containing recursion is called recursive function. At the end, this great tool in the hand of the programmers to the code some problem in a lot easier and efficient way. How a recursive function store in memory? Recursion uses more memory because the recursive function adds to the stack which recursive call and keep the values there until the call is finished. The recursive function uses a last in first out structure just like a stack and in data structure. What is the base condition in recursion? Recursive is the solution to the base case is provided, and the solution, the bigger problem, is expressed terms of a smaller problem. A particular problem is using recursion. The idea is to represent the problem in terms one or more smaller problem and add one or more base condition that stop the recursion. For example, we compute the factorial n if we know the factorial of n minus 1. The base case of factorial will be n equals to 0, and we return 1 and when return n equals to 0. Thank you.